Hello students, today I am starting this third chapter, inheritance and variation. Firstly, we come to know about the inheritance and or heredity, transmission of genetic information from generation to generation, that is transmission of body characters from parents to offsprings is called as heredity or inheritance. And the branch of biology which deals with the study of heredity and variations on the living organisms is called as genetics. Then what is variations? Differences between the body characters of parents and the offsprings or between two offsprings of the same parent is called as variation. The first scientific explanation regarding inheritance was given by Gregor John Mendel in 1866. He performed experiments on garden pea in a very scientific manner to proposed principles which are now popularly known as Mendel's laws of inheritance, and his work is known as Mendelism. He laid down the foundation of genetics, therefore he is called father of genetics. Mendel's inheritance. According to Mendel, organisms produced by asexual reproduction or plants produced by vegetative reproduction are identical to their parents and can be called as clones. Organisms produced by sexual reproduction are called offsprings, and they are not identical to either of their parents but inherit some of the characteristics from both the parents. They may show intermediate characters. Therefore, till 19th century, it was believed that there is a blending inheritance. John Mendel was the first one to say that the characters are transmitted from one generation to the next through particles, which is called factors that are now known as genes. Mendel was genius much ahead at time, as he has given this concept of factor before the discovery of meiosis, mitosis, chromosomes, and without use of microscope. Biographical sketch of Mendel is that Gregor John Mendel, son of the peasant farmer, was born in Moravia in 1822. Gregor Mendel was first gave the accurate explanation for the mechanism of inheritance by using hybridization technique. Inheritance of the 7 traits in garden pea plant were studied individually, one at a time or in combination of 2 or 3 characters at a time. He proceeded the data mathematically and statistically. Mendel postulated the principles of heredity, which then become the foundation law of heredity as proposed by Carnes in 1900. He visualized that the traits as such as not inherited physically but by something present inside the gametic cell. To this something he coined term factor that are responsible for expression of a particular trait or character. He proposed that factors are particulate in nature. The Mendelian factors are now termed as genes. These factors occur in pairs in the parent and segregate from each other during gamete formation without blending or mixing. Before the Mendel, so many scientists performed experiment to find out the process of inheritance, but first success was successfully postulated the laws of inheritance by Mendel. So now we will see the reasons for Mendel's success. His experiment was carefully planned and involved large samples. Then second character, he selected pea plant for hybridization experiment which shows several contrasting characters. So the main reason of Mendel's success is the selection of the proper plant. He recognized the necessity of keeping adequate record, and he meticulously maintained complete record of actual number of each type of offsprings. Then quantitative as well as qualitative record was kept for 3 generations. He conducted ample crosses and reciprocal crosses to eliminate chance factor. आगे हम पढ़ेंगे what is ample crosses and reciprocal crosses. He investigated the inheritance of 1 2 or 3 characters only at a time. One character, inheritance of one character, monohybrid cross, inheritance of 2 characters, dihybrid cross, and inheritance of 3 characters, trihybrid cross, and studied their transmission through number of generations applying the law of probability. This is what enabled him to arrive at certain definite ratios at F2 generation. So these are all the reasons of Mendel's success. इसके ऊपर एक शॉर्ट नोट भी आ सकती है, गिव रीजंस फॉर मेंडल्स सक्सेस. तो 2 मार्क के लिए अगर क्वेश्चन आए तो 4 रीजंस आपको लिखने हैं. फर्स्ट रीजन सिलेक्शन ऑफ द प्रॉपर प्लांट, सेकेंड रीजन मेंटेनेंस ऑफ द एक्यूरेट रिकॉर्ड, थर्ड क्वांटिटेटिव एज वेल एज क्वालिटेटिव रिकॉर्ड मेंटेन किया है. ही कंडक्टेड एम्पल क्रॉस एंड रेसिप्रोकल क्रॉस टू एलिमिनेट चांस फैक्टर. एंड fourth important reason is that he investigate only one character or 2 characters or 3 characters at a time for the inheritance experiments. So this is about the reasons for Mendel's success. Now we will see the next topic, that is selection of the 7 pairs of contrasting characters by Mendel. Mendel selected 7 pairs of contrasting characters from pea plant. Pea plant is also called as Pisum sativum plant. Here 7 pairs of contrasting characters are seed shape, seed color, pod shape, pod color, flower location and plant height. According to this, Mendel crossed round seeded plant with wrinkled seeded plant, and the plants shape of the seed which obtained in first generation called by Mendel as dominant character, and the character of the parent which does not appear in first generation is called as recessive character. According to that, he gave tabulated result of these 7 pairs of contrasting characters which was selected by Mendel. In seed shape, round seed is dominated over the wrinkled seed. Seed color, yellow color is dominated over the green color. अब यहाँ पे आप देखोगे सीड तो राउंड, पूरा राउंड रहता है और ग्रीन कलर का रहता है, और व्रिंकल्ड जो सीड्स है, व्रिंकल्ड यानी उसका जो सीड कोट रहता है वो श्रिंक हुआ रहता है. तो राउंड सीड शेप इज द डोमिनेंट, व्रिंकल्ड सीड शेप इज द रेसेसिव. सीड कलर, येलो कलर ऑफ द पी सीड इज डोमिनेंट, ग्रीन कलर इज रेसेसिव. इसमें भी आप देखोगे ये पीला मटर, हरा मटर बोलते हैं ना, तो ये पीला मटर या येलो सीड कलर इज द डोमिनेंट एंड ग्रीन सीड कलर इज द रेसेसिव. पॉड शेप, पॉड इज ए साइंटिफिक टर्म यूज्ड फॉर बीन्स, फलियों को पॉड्स बोलते हैं. तो फ्लैट पॉड, इनफ्लैटेड और फ्लैट पॉड इज द डोमिनेंट कैरेक्टर, एंड कॉन्स्ट्रिक्टेड पॉड यानी ऊपर से उसके अंदर कितनी सीड्स है वो कैलकुलेट की जा सकती है, 1 2 3 4 सीड, तो दैट इज कॉल्ड एज कॉन्स्ट्रिक्टेड. तो इनफ्लैटेड और फ्लैट इज द डोमिनेंट, कॉन्स्ट्रिक्टेड इज रेसेसिव. Then pod color, green color is the dominant, yellow color is the recessive. Flower color, purple flowers are dominant, white flowers are recessive. Flower location, एक्सिलरी पोजिशन में फ्लावर्स आते हैं. एक्सिलरी फ्लावर इज द डोमिनेंट कैरेक्टर, टर्मिनल फ्लावर इज द रेसेसिव कैरेक्टर. देन प्लांट हाइट, टॉल हाइटेड प्लांट इज डोमिनेंट, डॉर्फ हाइटेड प्लांट इज recessive. So this chart is showing 7 pairs of contrasting characters in pea plant which was selected by Mendel for inheritance experiment. Then we will see selection of Pisum sativum for inheritance experiment. Why Mendel selected Pisum sativum for inheritance experiment? अब ये 7 pairs of contrasting characters के ऊपर भी 2 मार्क की शॉर्ट नोट आ सकती है. तो इसमें से कोई भी 4 करेक्ट कैरेक्टर्स, उसको ट्रेट्स बोलते हैं. जेनेटिकल लैंग्वेज में कैरेक्टर को क्या कहा जाता है? ट्रेट. और उसका डोमिनेंट और रेसेसिव ट्रेट आपको देना है. तो ये 7 पेयर्स ऑफ कॉन्ट्रास्टिंग कैरेक्टर्स जो है इसका टेबल भी पूछा जा सकता है. तो इसमें डायग्राम्स ड्रॉ करने की जरूरत नहीं है, सिर्फ यू हैव टू राइट दी character, that is round, wrinkled, yellow, green, inflated, constricted, green, yellow, purple, white, axillary flower, terminal flower, tall heighted plant and dwarf heighted plant. तो ऐसे लिखना है, ये 2 मार्क के लिए क्वेश्चन पूछा जा सकता है. अब नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है सिलेक्शन ऑफ पाइसम सटाइवम फॉर इनहेरिटेंस एक्सपेरिमेंट, गिव रीजन व्हाई मेंडल सिलेक्टेड पाइसम सटाइवम फॉर इनहेरिटेंस एक्सपेरिमेंट. तो पहला सिलेक्शन है गार्डन प्लांट इज एन एनुअल प्लांट and complete their life cycle within 3 to 4 months. Due to the short lifespan, he could grow 3 generations in a year. बहुत शॉर्ट ड्यूरेशन होने की वजह से 1 साल में 3 या 4 प्लांट्स अपन ले सकते, 3 या 4 बार एक्सपेरिमेंट्स को रिपीट कर सकते. तो दैट वाज द फर्स्ट रीजन, दैट इज सिलेक्शन ऑफ द गार्डन पी बिकॉज इट इज एन एनुअल प्लांट and completed the life cycle within 3 to 4 months. It is a small herbaceous plant that produced many seeds and so he could grow thousands of pea plants in a small plot of 70 meter by 7 meter behind the church. तो ये बहुत छोटा सा हर्बेशियस प्लांट है, इसके लिए जगह नहीं लगती है, बहुत सारे प्लांट एक छोटे से प्लॉट में डेवलप किए जा सकते हैं. तो दैट वाज द सेकेंड रीजन व्हाई मेंडल सिलेक्टेड पाइसम सटाइवम फॉर इनहेरिटेंस एक्सपेरिमेंट. देन पी प्लांट शोज लार्ज नंबर ऑफ वेराइटीज विथ इजीली नोटिसेबल कॉन्ट्रास्टिंग कैरेक्टर्स. जैसे अपन यहाँ देख रहे हैं कि इजीली नोटिसेबल है, इसको कोई एक्सपेरिमेंट करना नहीं पड़ता है, टेस्टिंग नहीं करना पड़ता है, नेकेड आइज से ही ये कैरेक्टर देखे जा सकते हैं. सो दिस was the important reason why Mendel selected Pisum sativum plant, because it shows large number of varieties with easily noticeable contrasting characters. Then next, flowers are bisexual, both male and female reproductive organs are present in the same plant, same flower. Bisexual से naturally self fertilizing है, natural अगर उसको disturb नहीं किया गया तो self pollination होता है, but can artificially cross fertilized also. Artificial cross fertilization भी होता है. अदरवाइज आपको मालूम है कॉन्ट्रीवेंसेस, आउटब्रीडिंग डिवाइसेस आपने फर्स्ट चैप्टर में पढ़े हैं कि जो प्लांट में सेल्फ पॉलिनेशन होना होता है वहाँ पे क्रॉस पॉलिनेशन नेचुरली पॉसिबल नहीं होता है या आर्टिफिशियली भी पॉसिबल नहीं होता है बिकॉज ऑफ सर्टन physical barrier or chemical barrier. But pea plant is not like that. The pea plants are naturally self fertilizing, but they can also be easily cross fertilized. And one of the important reason is that artificial cross fertilization results in the development of fertile offspring. This is the most important character. क्योंकि क्या होता है कभी कभी हम क्रॉस फर्टिलाइजेशन करते हैं मगर उसका रिजल्ट जो है वो फर्टाइल ऑफस्प्रिंग नहीं मिला तो आगे इनहेरिटेंस का एक्सपेरिमेंट नहीं हो सकता है. सो दिस इज द इम्पॉर्टेंट कैरेक्टरिस्टिक फीचर. फ्लावर्स आर सफिशिएंटली लार्ज. आप देख रहे हो फ्लावर्स यहाँ पे काफ़ी बड़े होते हैं. सो दे कैन बी इजीली इमैस्कुलेटेड और इजीली क्रॉस पॉलिनेटेड. So this is also one of the important characteristic features. So reasons of Pisum sativum, selection of Pisum sativum for inheritance experiment, ये भी 2 मार्क के लिए पूछा जा सकता है. उसमें 4 रीजंस आपको लिखने होते हैं. तो पहला कौन सा है, गार्डन पी इज एन एनुअल प्लांट, कंप्लीट लाइफ साइकिल विद इन 3 to 4 months. It is a small herbaceous plant that produced many seeds. Pea plant shows large number of varieties with easily noticeable contrasting characters. Fourth one is flowers are bisexual, naturally self-fertilizing, but they can also be easily cross-fertilized. And the last one is that flowers are sufficiently large for easy emasculation and artificial crossing. So this is all about the selection of Pisum sativum for inheritance experiment. तो अभी हमने देखा है इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ इनहेरिटेंस एंड वेरिएशंस, फिर उसके बाद में रीजंस ऑफ मेंडल सक्सेस 2 मार्क के लिए, चार्ट ऑफ 7 पेयर्स ऑफ कॉन्ट्रास्टिंग कैरेक्टर्स ऑफ पी प्लांट 2 मार्क के लिए, सिलेक्शन ऑफ पाइसम सटाइवम फॉर इनहेरिटेंस एक्सपेरिमेंट 2 मार्क के लिए और रीजंस ऑफ मेंडल सक्सेस फॉर 2 marks. So this is about the introduction of inheritance and variation.